Hello and welcome back to part 2 of making a techno track in Audacity. So as you can see, we have 3 tracks so far. What I strongly recommend you do is use the view menu here, go to track size and choose fit to height. All your tracks will then be visible on the screen. Also, this little icon here, which is fit project to width, if you click on that, you get to see all your track on one screen from start to finish. Yeah, so you can see mine starts at 0 seconds here and finishes up at nearly 50 seconds. So what I want to do now is go to File, Import Audio, and import a 4th track, which in this case is called 3 hi-hat sample. So double click on that. It always comes in at the bottom, as you can see down here at the beginning. So I need to take my mouse, right click and move that track up here. Okay, again do it again, right click, move the track up, scroll up, it's just below the kick sample, which is fine. So I'm going to drag this using the time shift tool, so I want it to start playing after the clap sample, so about there is fine. If I put my mouse there, this vertical black line appears. That means the track will play from that point where you've selected. If I press play, you can hear that that is the hi-hat sound. Okay, if you're happy at where it's at, you might need to zoom in. Okay, just press the plus magnifying glass there a couple of times. You can scroll along the bottom, remember. You can repeat this, so if you select the track and go to Effect, Repeat, just one repeat. Okay, you've got an exact copy there. You can click away and then drag. You can either have them together. Again, if you just play, you can see what it sounds like. Or you can play around with it so that it plays every other 8 bars, which is just there. Okay, so again, if I put my cursor and mouse there, it'll play. You hear the beats and then the hi-hat comes in again. So that's the hi-hat sample track. Again, go to view, track size, fit to height, and you can see all 4 tracks now. Go back to File, Import Audio, and bring in your last track, which is number 4 bass sample. So double click on that. Again, it comes in at the bottom, so we're going to right click with our right mouse button, move track up, again do the same, so it comes just underneath the kick sample, which is at the top. So there's my bass sample. Now again, if I drag this across, I want this bass sample to start playing after the hi-hat. Okay, about there. If I zoom in and scroll along again and put my mouse cursor in there, you can hear what the bass sample sounds like when you press play. So if it's in the right place and it sounds about right there, you can you can actually play with this by selecting it and going to amplify, and you might be able to decrease the amplitude, there you go, and make it quieter. So it's gone a bit quieter. You might want to just do that again, actually. Effect, amplify, go into the minuses, there you go. So it's much quieter. Then you can repeat it using Effect, Repeat, just one repeat. Okay, click OK, you've got an exact copy there. Again, you need to just drag it so it starts playing there. I would then use the effect of amplify just to make it slightly louder this time. So I'm going to increase it by about that, 2.5. So that's just slightly louder. And then I'm going to do that a 3rd time. So again, select that copy of it there, go to Effect, Repeat, just one repeat. Again, just slide it to the right so it starts playing at the beginning of the beat. And again, I'm going to make this even louder, so use Effect Amplify, and there you go. That's gone even louder. So the effect you're getting is slightly louder bass line each time. And then, if you put your mouse cursor there so the black line appears there, you can actually generate sounds yourself in Audacity. It has its own sound generation. So if you go to Generate and Tone, you might see that Sine is selected. You need to change that to Sawtooth. Stick with the defaults. 50 is fine. Frequency, amplitude, you can make that a bit loud if you want. I'm going to go for 0.6. And seconds here, it says 4.04 means 4 seconds. I'm going to click OK to that. And when you press play now here, you can hear this Sawtooth sound. And that's what it sounds like, okay? And again, I just chop that bit off at the end, just highlight it and delete it. I'd probably just copy and paste. In fact, I can copy and paste that one to create a bit more kicks at the end, and then I can again Control C or copy that one and paste it in at the end so that my bass line starts playing again at the end of the Sawtooth. So this is what it sounds like so far with the bass line. And that's pretty much the end of the track. If you want to import some more vocals from the sample 5 vocal sample, you can, but that's basically how I've made about a minute's worth of techno track. Okay, thank you.